Okay, no tutorial today. I am going to talk you through my foundation shades, so all the foundations that I've got and what shades I use, especially because at the moment you're kind of trying to buy things online rather than going into a store and getting colour matched and stuff. It's so much easier if you think that someone's a similar shade range to you, or if they use something in the same shade as you in one thing, then hopefully it'll be similar for yours. Anyway, so I'm not going to go in any order in particular. I'm just going to pull out what I've got and I'll tell you the shade. So first one here is the YSL All Hours Foundation. Very good. In a recent video with this, featuring this, so you can see it, but I use BD60. Then I have got the Makeup Forever Foundation Stick, which is actually what I'm wearing today, and that is 153, and then there's an equals Y405. Fenty Hydrating Foundation, I have the shade 300. I was using 310, but I actually think that 300 is better in the winter. 310 maybe when I've got a bit of a tan. I've got the NARS Tinted Moisturiser, which I use St. Moritz. I also have the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation and I use Barcelona. I also have the NARS Foundation Stick, and again I use Barcelona. I haven't used this for ages actually, it's really nice. Urban Decay All Nighter 7. I have the Urban Decay Naked Skin One and Done, which is kind of like a tinted moisturiser stroke BB cream, and I use the shade medium. Then I have the Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation, which is lovely. I haven't used this for ages. It's also got SPF 15 in it, and I use the shade Honey, and that's my shade kind of like in most things Bobbi Brown, to be honest. I've got the Bobbi Brown Stick Foundation too, in which I use Honey as well. Got last one, Dior Backstage, and I use the shade 4W. So those are my foundations, those are the shades. Hopefully it helps, and hopefully it will be easier for me to maybe find some other foundation shades as well. Hope you find this video useful. I will do one on my concealers also, so that will be coming up. I'll see you soon.